Ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance and swap tokens directly from your Coinbase wallet using Uniswap? First, make sure you have the Coinbase wallet app downloaded and that you've completed the setup process. This includes securing your recovery phrase €, keep that safe. Once you're in, you'll see your wallet's main interface displaying your assets. Now, to access Uniswap, you have two options. You can either use the built-in browser within the Coinbase wallet app or connect using WalletLink for the browser option. Tap the browser icon €. It usually looks like a compass or globe €, and type Uniswap into the address bar. Alternatively, you can visit Uniswap on your computer and use the WalletLink option. This will generate a QR code. Open Coinbase Wallet, find the WalletLink option, and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen to connect your wallet. Whether you use the built-in browser or WalletLink, you'll be brought to the Uniswap interface. If you haven't already, click the Connect Wallet button and select Coinbase Wallet from the list of options. Now that your wallet is connected, you're ready to swap. Choose the token you want to trade from the From drop-down menu and the token you want to receive from the To drop-down menu. Enter the amount of the From token you want to exchange. Uniswap will automatically estimate the amount of the To token you'll receive, though this is just an estimate. Review the transaction details carefully, including the estimated gas fees. These can fluctuate depending on network congestion. Ensure you have enough ETH in your wallet to cover these fees. Finally, if everything looks good, tap the swap button on Uniswap. This will prompt a confirmation request within your Coinbase wallet. Review the details one last time. And if you're happy, confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully swapped tokens using Uniswap on Coinbase wallet. Remember that DeFi can be risky, so always do your research before making any trades.